Hello, parents. This is Mrs.Jerome-Severe coming with another video. This video is CCVCC, meaning that there's two consonants and there's a vowel and two consonants at the end. And these words will be short A words. Short A words. So this time we're just gonna be practicing reading them, not blending. If your child is struggling with blending, you could do the one that says blending. So like that, you could give them more practice. But this is just reading. Alors parents yo ki jan nou ye, c'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe. Video sa pal base kote ti moun yo pal fe C, C, V, C, C. Consonant, voyelle, consonne. Let you voyelle c'est short A, okay? How to make the sound, ki jan ou fè son yo. How you make the sound, you open your mouth a little bit, and like you're going to the doctor. When the doctor's checking your mouth, what does he say? Ah. You open your mouth a little bit. I know the doctor make you open your mouth really wide, but open your mouth a little bit and keep your tongue low and flat in your mouth. Then say ah, like an apple or like an alligator. Ok, so wap ouvri bouche ou tout petit kwen le docteur an di ouvri bouche ou, men wap ouvri tout petit ou pa ouvri trop grand, e pi kounya la wap mette lang ou nan mitan bouche ou, desen ni an ba, e pi fe a, kwe apple or alligator. Right now we're going to identify the letters, and then we're going to say the sound. We're going to identify the letters and say the sound. Nou pal identifiye alphabet la et puis fè son yo. Parents, if your child does not know the alphabet, they will not be able to blend the words. If they don't know the sounds, if they don't know how to blend it, they will not know this. They will not be able to do that. So go watch the previous video that will teach you how to help your child do blending. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to go in a row to learn to say the letters, to say their names and their sounds, okay? But Timon nou pal komanse kote nou pal di let yo, et puis nou pal di son yo, nou pal komanse nan ling an lè. So the red one is A, the letter is A, the sound is A. The letter is M, the sound is M. The letter is S, the sound is S. The letter is T, the sound is T. The letter is P, the sound is P. The letter is F, the sound is F. The letter is N, the sound is N. The letter is D, the sound is D. The letter is C, the sound is K. The letter is G, the sound is G. And the letter is B, the sound is B. Let's do the top row again. Now commencez en lait. The letter is K, the sound is K. The letter is H, the sound is H. The letter is R, the sound is R. The letter is L, the sound is L. The letter is W, the sound is W. The letter is J, the sound is J. The letter is Y, the sound is Y. The letter is X, the sound is X. The letter is Q, U, the sound is Q. The letter is V, the sound is V. The letter is Z, the sound is Z. Okay, parents, if you have not subscribed to the channel, this is the best time to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Please give me some likes. Let me know that these videos are helping your child. Let a friend know. Your child may not need it. Let a friend know. Let somebody at your church, at your job, who has a child who's in second grade or third grade or fifth grade or, elementary school, any elementary school kids who does not know the foundational skills, you could let them know so they could subscribe to my channel to get the new videos. Alors, par mieux, so là, c'est un bon petit temps pour subscribe sur channel là, so pour qu'on membre channel là, comme ça, l'aime faire vidéo, pour ti moun yo ka joindre, puis yo ka kon li, partager avec zami dans l'église, partager avec moun qui besoin ti moun yo parler anglais, li anglais, partager, puis bon mon petit pouce monter, bon mon petit like, pour me connaître que vidéo yo vraiment aider ti moun yo. All right, so let's go read boys and girls. Okay, Timon Anwadeli. So remember, boys and girls, we're just gonna read the words. No pal just li moyo, no pal fait son. Okay, so let's look at I want you to look at the letters. I want you to look at it. And then when I count to 3, we are gonna read it together. You ready? You're looking at every letter, just like you did from the previous one. But this time we're just going to read it. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Blend. Very good. What's the word? Blend. Bland mean having a little or no flavor. It doesn't taste good. Okay? Bland mean it doesn't taste good. It's missing something. Salt. It does not taste good. Okay, let's look at the letter. Let's look at the word. Yes, look at the word. You should be able to read the word to yourself. I'm going to count to 3. Then you're going to read it with me. 1, 2, 3. Blast. Very good. Blast. Blast means it's a strong burst like a firecracker and blast and it make a loud noise. Okay, again, look at all the letters. Look at all the letters and look at all the letters and say the sound to yourself. And 1, 2, 3. Read it. Claps, clasp, clasp, clasp. Clasp is like a little hook that holds something together. Your mommy has a clasp because to hold her keys, her car keys, so it doesn't fall out. Okay, let's look at the letters. Let's look at the word. Let's look at the word. Think about the word. 1, 2, 3. Craft. Craft. Very good. Craft means to make something with glitter or glue or construction paper or even painting is craft. You've done it in the class in the art room. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at everything. Look at it. Think about it. Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Cramp. 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 Cramp is like when your body muscles tighten up and it hurts a little bit. Like when you're playing hard, your leg gets your muscle in your leg hurts, or I get stomach cramp when I am going to take a test and I get nervous. Do you get stomach cramp when you feel nervous? You ready? Let's look at it. Think about it. 1, 2, 3. Draft. Draft. Draft means when you practice writing something, it's not finished yet, but you're practicing writing. So it's a draft. Look at the letters. Think about it. Look at it. Think about it. Put them together in your head. And 1, 2, 3. Grand. Grand. Grand means something that's very expensive or something very large in appearance, like this water place. This water basin is very grand. That's mean very big, it looks different, like you've never seen it before. It's grand. Okay? The appearance is very important. The size of it is very grand. Like a wedding dress could be grand. Your birthday dress could be grand. Yes. Let's look at the letters. Look at it. Think about it. When I count to 3, you are going to put it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Craft. Craft. Not craft. Sorry. Graft. Graft. Graft mean when you take 2 little pieces of plant, like you could graft a plant. You could take 2 different pieces of plant and you put them in the same pot. And when they grow up, when the plants start growing, it will become one plant. They will grow together and they'll become one plant. That is what graft mean. Okay, look at the letters. Look at the word. 1, 2, 3. Grasp. Grasp. Grasp means to hold something tightly. Grasp means to hold something tightly in your hand. Right? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Plant. Very good. A plant is a living thing that grows, often have leaves and flowers. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Slant. Very good. Slant. Look at the house. The house is slanted. Slant means it's not straight. It's tilted. 1, 2, 3. Stand. Stand. Stand means to be up position straight. You stand on your feet. 1, 2, 3. Tract. 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 A tract is an area that have land and people use it for a purpose. Have you ever been to the park? Have you ride your bike? Have you ride your bike? You cannot ride your bike on the grass. You have to ride your bike on the bike tract. Yes. Have you rollerblade? Cannot rollerblade on the middle of the street. You gotta rollerblade on the tract for rollerblades. Yes, tract is a special area to do special things. Some they have track for people to go jogging. Yes. And running. Yes. Thank you. Keep learning. Thank you for learning with Miss Jerome today. Keep practicing. I want to give a shout out to Lynn, who always watch my video. I want to give a shout out to Noah. I want to give a shout out to Noah, who always watch my video. I want to shout out to Prince, who always watch my videos. I want to give a shout out to who else watch my videos. I want to give a shout out to Dayton, who always watch my videos. So, shout out to those friends who always tell me when they see me, I see your video, Miss Jerome, it helps me. And shout out to my second graders and my third graders who always ask me what videos can they watch when they are struggling in school. Mwen vle di mersi a ti moun ki gade video myo. So yo toujou di mwen ke yo bezwen gade video pou ede yo. So paran, make sure nou pataje avek ti moun yo. And guys, send me your name so I could give you a shout out and give me a thumbs up if this video was very helpful. So, voyez bon mon petit pouce, faites me connaître que nous aimons vidéo et puis tout, partagez-la avec l'autre monde. Et mais c'est tout ça, Monsieur, on te gagne pour nous. À bientôt. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. Until next time. Bye, guys.